When you look for a place to live in Korea, someone may bring you a certificate of registered matters directly. Is it safe to accept it? Some people remove important pages. Then they show the document. Others create a fake document. It is not safe to use a certificate of registered matters given by anyone else. Getting the document yourself is the safer way. Prepare 2 things before you start. You need a device with internet and the address of the property. You can use a smartphone or a PC. Mac computers may have limited access to the issue function. If you need a paper copy, you need a Windows PC and a printer. If you have at least one of these payment methods, you can get the document online. If you do not have any of these payment methods, online payment is not possible. You can visit the registry office and use the counter. You can also use the kiosk inside the office. Staff may ask for your ID at the counter. It is safer to bring your passport or residence card together with the property address. Know one thing before you start. You can get the certificate of registered matters without an account. If you want to check the trust ledger, you must log in as a member. If you need to check the trust ledger, log in first. If you do not need it or do not know yet, proceed without an account. Type this address into your browser: www.iros.go.kr. The Supreme Court of Korea operates this official website. The search method changes based on the type of real estate. For apartments, office-tels, or multi-household houses, select condominium building. For multi-family houses or detached housing, select land and building. Multi-family houses and detached housing have one certificate of registered matters for the entire building. If you type a unit number, you will get no results. This is normal. Select land and building and enter only the street address. For apartments, office-tels, and multi-household houses, select condominium building. Enter the building number and the unit number. For multi-family houses and detached housing, select land and building. Enter the address only. The screen has no field for a unit number. Select your purpose. To check the document yourself, select View. To submit the document to an office, select Issue. First, select the entire record option on the screen. Second, select Include Canceled Items from the drop-down on the screen. This shows the history of previously registered rights. You can see records that are now expired or removed. To check the trust ledger, you must select View. If you select Issue, the Permanently Preserved Documents section disappears from the screen. Check this box on the screen. You can then select the Trust Ledger. This box only appears for logged-in members. When you click the Payment button, a login screen appears. For members, logging in with your ID takes you directly to the payment screen. Non-members must enter a phone number and a 4-digit password. You must remember the phone number and password you entered. You must remember both. If you lose them, you cannot view the document. You cannot get the document. You cannot get a refund. Choose your payment method. You can use a Korean credit card, bank transfer, prepaid electronic payment, mobile phone billing, or mobile payment apps. You cannot use cards from other countries. While you read the Certificate of Registered Matters, you might see the word for trust in Section A, Ownership Matters. Then you must decide if you need more details about this trust. To see more details, you must log in as a member. After you log in, check the box on the screen and select the Trust Ledger. If you need to get the Trust Ledger issued for official submission rather than for personal review, you must visit the registry office in person. Bring the property address and the fee. Counter staff may ask for your ID, so it is safer to bring your passport or residence card. This video provides general guidance on obtaining the Certificate of Registered Matters. Depending on your situation, there may be additional steps required to obtain the document. You now hold the Certificate of Registered Matters. The next step is knowing what to check inside it. The next video shows you how to find warning signs in the Title section and Section A, Ownership Matters.